Okay, let's talk strings, guys. So I use a variety of strings depending on the beads, depending on the request, but they can range. Here I want to show you a few. Here's are some of my go-tos. We have the stretch elastic. Notice the different sizes and strings. You have the 1 millimeter, the 0.7, then you have a 0.5, and that's the same here as the 0.7. So depending on the size of the beads, it will determine what size string you'll work on. But then you have the elastic string. Notice how thin this is here. So this can typically fit maybe about 4 to 6 strands in one bead for this type of elastic here. Then here, some of my favorite, this is the cotton elastic. Works very well at Joann's, and you can fit multiple sizes on this as well as multiple strands within beads. I would say 8/0 or even 6/0 here. Then you have your hemp. This works very well with a needle. It's easier on the beads. I've finished up the last bundle there, but you can find these on Amazon as well. And notice the different size in these. I don't know if it states it here, but it's pretty thin. Now, when we're closing things up, we have our lobster claws, the clamps, the barrels. You see that barrel there? So, one of the secrets that I use are crimps. Crimps are extremely helpful in really closing off and kind of covering up the elastic or string that you're using. So here are the different options. Obviously, you can go with the lobster claw, you can go with the barrel clasp. And another option that I use, as I mentioned, are the crimps, but you have the crimps as well as crimp covers. So I use those depending on the job to really seal the deal and make sure that people have long-lasting waist beads. And I would like to say, we've been making waist beads for some time now, and we offer a 90-day guarantee, and no one has taken advantage of it. And I believe it's due to a lot of the different details that we put into each and every strand to secure it. So again, this comes down to strings. You have your different sizes there, as well as your clamps and the things that you use to secure them. So I can make another video to really show you exactly how that works.